Mr. President, Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, freedom is a great blessing. To achieve the free air we are breathing today, our forefathers have made eternal sacrifices. That is why Pakistan was a passion that was created in every heart. Pakistan is the call which is the voice of every Pakistani's heart. The atmosphere of Pakistan echoed with this slogan, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान. Finally, the efforts of the Muslims of the subcontinent have paid off and they have got an independent homeland, ambitious leadership of Qaid-e-Azam, which was named Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is a great favor of the fathers of the nation that today we are living our lives in the light of Islamic teachings in a free country. Undoubtedly, Pakistanis are a great nation because whenever Independence Day comes, it is celebrated with great passion and national enthusiasm. As soon as the month of August begins, the preparations to celebrate this day begin. And as the Independence Day approaches, these preparations gain strength. It is the day of pledge that we should realize our own responsibilities to make our country great. Colleagues, our nation is a great nation. Whenever there was a difficult time for our dear country, the Pakistani nation united with enthusiasm and fought for the survival of this country. Mr. President, take a look. Whether it is poor or rich, child or old, man or woman, they are doing their first duty for the safety and survival of their countrymen. To be honest, more people than the government officials are doing their best to help them. Look at how people came together to help the flood victims in recent days. It is required that the same spirit should be instilled in them under which they had won Pakistan. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्ते वीरां से, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी किश्ते वीरां से, जरा नम हो तुझे मट्टी बहुत सरखेज है साकी. Thanks for listening.